People are making full-time income doing this, and it can just take 20 minutes. And may sound boring, but boring businesses can pay well. Yes, pool cleaning. Most homeowners will pay weekly or monthly to keep their pools clean. You serve multiple homes and income repeats. One route with multiple clients can create stable cash flow every month. Works stays consistent. You don't need a huge team or fancy branding. You need consistency and reliability. It's a very simple model, but best businesses solve annoying problems, and this is one of them. I use the deal analyzer tool I created to better understand deals before starting. If you want to do the same, I added the link in the bio for you. Subscribe for more.